Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's Travels. Now, as you know, in my travels I'm doing more and more vlogging these days, and I'm trying to get into it more and more. So what better thing to do than to buy a brand new camera, and that's what I've done today. I've been and bought the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II vlogger kit. Now, I've seen many reviews of this camera which seems to be excellent, and it's been in for use for quite some time now with many other vloggers, and I've seen that you've all done very good reviews, and you're very happy with it. So this is why I've been and bought it today. And this is a special one because it's a vlogger kit, because it comes with a tripod and an SD card as well. So let's in the video, let's see what it looks like. So let's have a look inside. This is the first time I've looked inside today. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got little Canon's guide to vlogging. Very nice. Okay, very nice indeed. Little manual there. What's this here? We've got this is what's this here in this little one? This is the free memory card. Okay, not bad. 32 gigabytes, not bad. Maybe not the best memory card around, I'm not sure. I'm used to using micro SD, so this has been my first larger one. So see how this goes. You may have to get a better one at a later date. Let's see what else we've got in here. And this is the tripod. Must be the tripod. Let's have a look. The Gorilla Pod. Let's have a look. Let's unravel it. See what it looks like. Very nice. So it's a slightly smaller one, but which is ideal for me really, because all I want to do is something to hold the camera with. I'm not too bothered about long selfie sticks. Just something so I can comfortably hold the camera, and this looks perfect, to be honest. The Gorilla Pod 500, which that is. So yeah, looks good. We'll have a look at further look inside that in a minute. So this is obviously the main camera. I'll be never so careful with that at the moment. Some more boxing. What's this here in the back? Some more boxing, as you can see. Nothing else in that one. So this is just the main camera. So basically this whole boxing unit here is just for the extra bits and pieces, like the SD card and the tripod and everything. So this is the main box of the camera. So we can push that out of the way. There we go. Powershot G7X Mark II, the Canon. I'm really looking forward to getting one of these, and as I say, it's been good in all the reviews. It may not be the best camera around, but it's going to be good for what I need. Let's have a look inside. So we got our manuals, language manuals, getting started. So it's a big thick book of information there, lots of handy advice, how to use the camera, which is good, lots of info. So it's here, technical warranty stuff, some more stuff there. What else is in here? This is the charger cable. As you notice, this is a UK plug, which are better plugs, so yeah, that's really good, handy for me. Have a look what else is in here. Okay, so this must be the main camera. Of course, it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Wow. Okay. This is it. Wow. Check out this beauty. Brilliant. So happy with that. Look at that. Brilliant. And this is what the likes of Tim Tracker uses on his videos. and lots of other vloggers. As you know, I'm going to be doing a lot of trips to Florida, so Florida vlogging, that'll be brilliant. We're going in all the theme parks, doing all the rides, brilliant. Exactly what you want. Something small, handy to use, just put in your pocket and then you go and you're off. Just see what else is inside the box. So that is the charger for the battery, looks like. So I'm very new to all this with the new camera, because all I use is the GoPro up to now, which is what I'm recording this on. So I've got the GoPro 6, which is quite good, but I need a decent camera. So this is all new to me. So right. So very good, yeah. Just slot the battery in there, charges up, and you're away. Very good. And there is the battery. Very good. Excellent. What else is there? One more thing. Aha! And this is the camera strap. Very nice. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's everything. Okay, so I've put away the packaging, so it just shows us clearly exactly what we've got on our box here. Laid it out neatly for you to see. So first of all, what we can do is have a quick look inside this tripod, this Gorilla Pod, just to see how good that is. So we'll open that up for you. This is what the tripod can do for your camera. You can put it in all sorts of different areas. You can hold it out as a selfie stick. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing with this camera, I think. I'll be using it just like that in that picture there. That's all I need it for. Aha. Very good. Take these bits off. Excellent. So that is your Gorilla Pod tripod. And there's the attachment, so you can put the camera straight on top. Just screw it on top. There you go. Brilliant. Now I'm just going to show you how it screws in at the bottom. So you can see the screw hole at the bottom of the camera. And the tripod just slips in there very easily. Very straightforward. Yeah. There you go. Brilliant. Perfect. So I've just bent the tripod, just because it's very flexible, as you see. So I've just bent that so you can hold it easier, so you can do your selfies and your vlogging just like that. So it's really good. Now I just thought I'd show you how the selfie screen works on the camera whilst I'm holding it to the tripod. So basically this flips up just like that. So then you can talk into it and you see yourself in that screen there, and it's just perfect for vlogging. Brilliant. So there you have it. That was the unboxing of the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II vlogger kit. I bought this in a shop called Argos. For those of you living in the UK, you're familiar with the shop Argos. And I simply bought it there because I went to buy it in Curry's, another shop, but it was out of stock. So I wanted it today. I couldn't wait any longer, so I found it in Argos for the exactly same price. So Canon are doing this special deal on this vlogging kit. So usually, obviously, the camera by itself is cheaper, but by just spending just a few more pounds or dollars, you can get the full kit, which comes with the SD card and the Gorilla Pod, the tripod, which is alright. I think it's worth doing, I think. And then you've got those so you can just be off on your way and you start vlogging and start making videos on YouTube. Now obviously the battery needs charging, and I haven't been able to turn on the camera just yet, but I'm sure you'll know from other reviews that it is a fantastic camera to use. Now I almost forgot to mention that as of May 2019, the price of this camera in the shops in the UK is about £520. Now it was a bit lower a couple of months ago. It was about £470 or £480 or something, but it's gone back up in price. But the nice thing about this deal is that you can claim for cash back. So I've paid £520 for this camera, but if you go online and send Canon all your details of your receipt and your proof of purchase, and they will give you £40 cash back. That's brilliant, isn't it? £40 cash back. I don't know if they have that same offer in the United States or anywhere else in the world, but they might do, they probably do. But at the moment, you can buy this camera and apply for £40 cash back. So basically, I've got this camera for £480, which is brilliant. Because it was a vlogging kit, obviously I spent a little bit more, so yeah, about £500 altogether really. So yeah, it was a really good deal. So if you want to get out there and vlog and start making videos on YouTube, this is the best camera around, I think. It doesn't do 4K, but to be honest, 4K is great. You know, I've got it on my GoPro, but it's not really essential all the time, because you know, sometimes your computer can be slow at editing 4K and you don't need it all the time. But this does full HD 1080p, and this is more than you need to make great videos for YouTube. So there you go. So that was my video for the unboxing of the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II, the vlogger kit. And if you want to see how I get on using this camera, please stay tuned to my channel, Ryan's Travels, and I'll be using this camera quite a lot for the next few months, and especially when I fly out to Florida, Orlando, and to go to all the parks, the Universal parks and the Disney parks, all the theme parks that I can go to, and especially looking forward to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge as well. So stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.